viewers, guys. Shout out to all of you. The viewers 9 and the like is 5. It's like a 9 plus 5 equals 14. It's like a February 14 is a happy Valentine's Day. Let's groove tonight. And I have this one. One for you, one for me, one for all. All for one, all for me, all for all. The feeling of loving yourself is like, ooh. Oh guys, how are you today? I hope you're doing well. Maybe outside are looking at me like, oh my god, oh my god, I forgot the glass.